What is YAML and its use cases? Welcome to another video of Cloudino. In this video, I'm going to talk about YAML, where we use them, and what does it stand for. When YAML was introduced, YAML could stand for yet another markup language. It means another markup language. But as time passed, it changed to YAML ain't markup language, which means it's more than a markup language. YAML is a serialization language. As you watched in the previous video, we talked about serialization language, and it means a language to exchange data between two different programs. YAML use cases. YAML is used in different places. For example, if you're into DevOps and cloud world, you need to know YAML because many DevOps tools and components are based on YAML. Let's check out. Here we have configuration management. For example, Ansible uses YAML files to describe all CM configuration like playbooks and roles and etc. If you don't know what Ansible is one of the most famous configuration management tools, which is based on YAML files. For example, imagine you have 10 servers, you want to update all, you need to make SSH connection to each server separately and run the update command. But Ansible helps you in this case. You can just write down a playbook in YAML format and Ansible will take care of rest. Infrastructure as a code like OpenTofu. OpenTofu is an open source solution or clone of Terraform. It's basically based on HashiCorp language, but it can read YAML files as an input. CI/CD products like GitHub Actions, GitLab CI/CD, Azure DevOps. Container orchestration is another use case for YAML files. For example, Kubernetes and Docker Compose heavily rely on YAML files to describe the infrastructure resources. Data serialization and APIs. But what I'm going to talk about in this video are the three main components that we already talked about, which is heavily based on YAML, and you use them everywhere where there is cloud and DevOps. Ansible, Kubernetes, Docker Compose. So this is another reason that you should learn YAML if you're going to go to cloud and DevOps world. As you know, YouTube likes, comments, shares, and subscribes. So if you want to support this free content, make sure to leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel for future videos.